Hey everyone, welcome to this session on AWS Elastic Beanstalk. I am Rahul Patel, an applicant for AWS Cloud Scope Captain 2025 from Parul University. Before we deep dive into AWS Elastic Beanstalk, let us first understand the fundamentals of cloud computing. Now, what is cloud computing? Imagine you need a powerful computer to run your application. Would you rather buy a computer which is really expensive or rent it online and pay only for the resources you have used? Sounds good, right? That's where cloud computing comes in. Instead of owning physical servers, you can rent computing power, storage, and database from providers like AWS on pay-as-you-go basis. Now, you might be thinking, what are the benefits of cloud computing? Now, let me tell you, you get better networking, security, database, compute power, and much more. The best part that I like is scalability. Yes, we get vertical and horizontal scaling as per our requirement. Now that we have understood cloud computing, let us explore the AWS as a top choice. So AWS is the market leader in cloud computing, offering 200 plus services for computing, storage, AI, and much more. They provide 32 plus regions, ensuring low latency, and they are growing very quickly. They do have cost-effective solutions, which will reduce your cost. They do maintain scalability and performance, which makes it ideal for startups and enterprises. They do have strong security and compliances, protecting your data securely and safely. So as you have understood AWS and cloud computing, it will be easy for you to understand AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So let me help you with benefits and as well as best practices that are used in AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So what is AWS Elastic Beanstalk and how does it solve your problem? It is a platform as a service which helps you in automating the load balancing, auto scaling, as well as deployment process and helps in infrastructure management. So whenever I used to deploy my applications, I used to face infrastructure management issues. So thanks to AWS Elastic Beanstalk, it helped me. So it supports multiple programming languages like Java, Python, Node.js, PHP, and much more. So now let me tell you the benefits of AWS Elastic Beanstalk. No need to worry, just upload your code and it will be deployed. Only focus on your code, no need to worry about infrastructure management anymore. The best part I like is auto scaling and load balancing. Application health monitoring. Yes, we can monitor our application even after deployment. It is cost effective. You no need to pay for AWS Elastic Beanstalk, just pay for the resources you have got allocated. This diagram showcases the integration of AWS services with Elastic Beanstalk, where you can see EC2 instance, IAM, S3 buckets, and much more services. These are the two environments that you can find in Elastic Beanstalk. First one is web server environment. Second one is workers environment. Now let us perform a practical on AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Now log into AWS console, search for Elastic Beanstalk. Whenever you get redirected to this page, create application. Click on create application. Now we will get 6 steps. These are very easy steps. Now first, configure environment. So select web server environment. Name your application. I have named Blocksphere here. Give name to your environment. Give domain name. So now let us choose a platform. I have chosen Node.js and also a sample application which was provided by AWS itself. Now go to IAM service. Click on IAM roles. You can create these policies over there. Give 3 permissions. Using these policies, you can search AWS Elastic Beanstalk over there and you will get these 3 policies. Now create the role and come back to the AWS Elastic Beanstalk console. Now here you can choose 2 things. In the second step, I have choose 2 things. First one is the role and the second thing is EC2 profile. Yes, we can use it EC2 instance profile. Now other 3 steps are optional. So keep them default and click on next for 3 times and create the environment. You will get multiple options when your environment is successfully created. You can see that our health status is okay. And we have Blocksphere as our application name on domain name blocksphere.ap south. So we can see events where you can see timeline whenever the task was completed. So you can see also monitoring over here. First of all, let us go on domain name and let's check out that is our application successfully deployed or not. So here we go. We can see that AWS is congratulating me that my AWS Elastic Beanstalk have been successfully deployed and it is running on the server. So now let us come to the best part that I like is monitoring. Even after deployment, I can monitor the health environment also CPU utilization, so that I can estimate whatever CPU utilization is going on. So you can also create alarms, you can check out the logs, you can manage updates, etc. This is Rahul Patel from Parul University. This is my QR code. You can scan it and ask me questions if you didn't understand anything. Thank you.